Good morning once again. Today we are going to a quick wrap up of Nifty movement with a chart of 5 years, 1 year and 6 months and 1 month chart. Let's see how Nifty movement was seen and where is the support and where is the resistance here. First let us start with the charts available with us. Now if we look at the chart, we have seen a clear double bottom of 7500 zone and multiple top from the end of the 2018 to 2019. We have seen multiple top around 12,000 level. We have not seen below 7500, not even crossed the resistance area. So roughly we can take the range of trading 7500 to 12,000. If there is no as such trigger like COVID-19, we may see some sort of time correction here, that much. Otherwise, we will be going down. In the 5-year chart, where we see the support around 7400 in the year of 2016, the same support has been retested. The same support has been retested in the year of 2020 after 4 years. If I look back in 2016, there was a dramatic fall in crude price and the sustainability was less than 2020. We are continuing with a dramatic low crude oil price. So as of we think about the Nifty chart, these two support zone may be considered as a double bottom. Hardly it may test third time at the support of 7500 level, and then it will start coming up. Once it start taking off, then it will never look back to 7500. It will move on towards a new high, but when the takeoff will start is the matter of question. We think couple of months are left to take off. The 6-month chart that you are seeing on the screen, there you have seen after making a bottom, it's trying to come out and showing like bottom out formation. But if I consider the time, it has taken 4 years to make the double bottom around 7500 area, and then 2 months recovery of higher top, higher bottom is not time wise satisfactory. And if we think it is bottom out happened, I think it will not be perfect to think about. In the 1 year chart, we see from February 2019 to beginning of the March 2020, we have seen a very consolidation period. No such movement was there. It was around 12,400 to 11,000 was the trading range. No higher top, higher bottom, no lower top, lower bottom. That was a consolidation period. Then a sudden fall we have seen at the end of the March, and that was made the low that I have earlier said to at about 7,550. So this is the very crucial zone we have seen ever for the last 5 years. Now if we look for the last 1 month chart, let's see. Leaving first few days of this monthly chart, we will see that most of the time it has gone down, and middle of two arrow we find the market was stable, no such trade zone was there, and we are seeing first few days it has made a new high of 9800. But lower bottom, no trade zone, including making no highs, all this indicating that market has been saturated and waiting for the correction. Maybe it will take some more time to consolidate in this range, but correction is inevitable. And then it couldn't break that, even made lower top and lower bottom. No high was there. And for the entire period, what we have seen that I have told the same thing earlier too, that 9,000 will be the very short term support zone, and 8,800 thereafter, and final support will be 8,400, and this 8,400 support is for the very medium term. Thereafter we will be again heading towards the all time low.